Ever wondered how some creatures can glow in the dark? It's not magic, it's bioluminescence. This is the incredible ability of living things to create their own light through a chemical reaction. It's one of nature's most enchanting phenomena, turning vast, dark oceans into star-studded galaxies and deep forests into fairy tale landscapes. From the flickering of fireflies on a warm summer night to the eerie, beautiful glow of fungi on a forest floor, bioluminescence is all around us, often in the most unexpected places. Today, we're diving deep into this glowing world to uncover its secrets. What causes it? Why do so many different species have this amazing superpower? And how are scientists harnessing this natural light for the future of medicine and technology? Let's get ready to illuminate the mysteries of bioluminescence. So how does this natural light show actually work? It all comes down to a fascinating bit of chemistry. The star of the show is a molecule called lucifer. Think of it as the fuel. But this fuel needs a spark to ignite, and that spark is an enzyme called luciferase. When luciferin comes into contact with luciferase and oxygen, a chemical reaction occurs, and voila, light is produced. What's truly amazing is how efficient this process is. Unlike our light bulbs, which waste a lot of energy, as heat bioluminescence is almost 100% efficient. It's a cold light, meaning very little heat is produced. This is crucial for the organisms because if they produced as much heat as a light bulb, they'd cook themselves. This elegant chemical solution has evolved independently multiple times across the tree of life, which tells us just how incredibly useful it is to be able to make your own light. Now let's journey into the deep sea, the largest habitat on Earth, and the kingdom of bioluminescence. Down here, in the crushing pressure and perpetual darkness, it's estimated that over 75% of all creatures can produce their own light. It's a world filled with living light shows. Take the anglerfish, for example. It has a fleshy lure dangling in front of its mouth that glows with the help of symbiotic bacteria. This little lantern attracts curious, smaller fish right into its waiting jaws. It's a perfect example of using light as a hunting tool. Then there are vampire squids, which when threatened, release a cloud of glowing mucus instead of it. This dazzling distraction allows the squid to escape into the darkness, while its predator is momentarily blinded by the light. From tiny glowing plankton that light up the waves to giant squid with eyes the size of dinner plates designed to spot the faintest glimmer, the deep sea is a testament to the power and versatility of bioluminescence. But it's not just about hunting and defense. Bioluminescence is also the language of love. Many species use light to find and attract mates. Some shrimp, for instance, spew glowing vomit in intricate patterns to impress potential partners. It's a bit gross, but hey, it works. Different species have their own unique light signatures, different colors, different flash patterns, different durations. This acts like a secret code, ensuring they only attract their own kind. Imagine trying to find a date in a pitch black room the size of a continent. A personal flashlight that says, hey, I'm here, and I'm the right species for you, is pretty essential. This light-based communication is vital for reproduction and the survival of many deep-sea species, turning the abyss into a complex social network of flashing lights. Moving from the deep sea to dry land, the most familiar example of bioluminescence is the firefly, or lightning bug. On a warm evening, their gentle blinking lights create a magical atmosphere. But this isn't just for our amusement. Each flash is a carefully crafted message. Male fireflies fly around, flashing a specific pattern to announce their species and their interest. The females, usually perched on grass or leaves, watch for this pattern. If a female is interested, she'll flash back in a specific way and a dialogue of light begins, guiding the male to her. However, there's a dark side to this romance. Some predatory firefly species, like those in the genus Futurus, have learned to mimic the flash patterns of other species' females. They lure in hopeful males, not for a date, but for dinner. It's a fascinating and slightly terrifying example of deception in the natural world. Beyond fireflies, the world of glowing fungi, often called foxfire, is equally enchanting. Imagine walking through a dark forest and seeing logs and leaves emitting a faint, greenish glow. This eerie light comes from certain species of mushrooms that are bioluminescent. But why do they glow? Scientists believe it serves a couple of purposes. The light might attract insects, like beetles and flies, at night. As these insects crawl over the mushroom, they pick up spores and carry them to new locations, helping the fungus to spread and reproduce. It's a clever way to get around when you're rooted in one spot. In some cases, the glow might also serve as a warning to nocturnal animals that might want to eat them, signaling that the mushroom is toxic. So this ghostly light is not just beautiful, it's a vital tool for survival and propagation. The applications of bioluminescence aren't just confined to the natural world. Scientists and engineers are incredibly inspired by this natural phenomenon. The luciferin-luciferase reaction is now a cornerstone of biomedical research. By attaching the luciferase gene to other genes or cells, researchers can track biological processes in real time. For example, they can literally see how cancer cells spread through a living organism or watch how a new drug affects specific cells. If the cells are active and healthy, they glow. If they're dying, the light fades. This has revolutionized how we study diseases and test new treatments. Beyond the lab, engineers are developing bioluminescent trees as a potential source of sustainable street lighting or creating self-illuminating warning signs and medical sensors. The future could be lit by nature's own technology. So, from the deepest oceans to our own backyards, and even into the future of our cities, bioluminescence is a powerful and beautiful force. It's a reminder of the incredible ingenuity of evolution. It's a tool for survival, a language of communication, and a source of inspiration for human innovation. The ability to create light from life is one of nature's most dazzling tricks, and there's still so much more to discover about its secrets. Every glowing creature, big or small, plays a part in this planetary light show. The next time you see a firefly blink or hear about a strange creature from the deep, remember the incredible chemistry and the millions of years of evolution behind that tiny spark of light. Thanks for joining us on this illuminating journey. If you enjoyed exploring the glowing world of bioluminescence, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures into the wonders of science and nature. Let us know in the comments what your favorite bioluminescent creature is. See you next time.